Maak, say hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. Hi guys. Maak ended up on my shoulders. He is not gonna hike, and I'm gonna hike through a few miles. I don't know how many miles, but we are at a trail called the Majestic Falls. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like, because there's stairs and everything, and the incline's pretty high, but let's see how we're gonna do it. All right, Maak, you ready? All right, we're going. I'm gonna hike up here a few minutes. We're gonna get up there. Looks pretty. Wow, so green. So we're gonna hike up some more. And this is the rest of the hike up. Maak. Good job. Climb up. Oh, oh, sorry. Come on, you can do it. He finally hiked. Good job. Look at you.
Oh, he jumped.
He's collecting all the rocks. He's gonna try to toss it down. You tossed a rock down there, Mom? Yeah. Come on, baby. That was a good hike right there. All right, let's keep going. Scenic view hike, the McDowell Creek Falls, and there is a trail for the Majestic Falls. We're gonna start hiking that one too. It's actually a road that divided, but we started from the other end, and we're at halfway point. All right, so I started hiking again, but this time Mateo has Maak, so it's a little easier. And they're on the side over there. I'm coming. It's a little easier now, but eventually when I get to Maak, he's probably gonna want me to hold him again. So once again, this trail is really pretty. It's luscious green, and is, you know, where there's bridges, it's fairly well put together and decorated. The other side had a bridge and it had railings, and that was really nice too.
Gigo. Gigo.
What are you saying, Maak?
Gigo.
What is that?
Gigo. 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 Gigo.
Maak is finally walking after all this hike. I'm so glad, because it's
And then
a lot of up and down hill, but he's doing a pretty good job now. Hey guys, we hear water. Huh? Do you hear it? I hear water. We're getting closer to the water source. I think that's waterfall, huh? Do you think so?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna get to the waterfall. You want to touch the water?
No.
No. No? You want to throw rocks in the water?
Yes.
Okay. I read his mind. Ah, so happy.
I'm the rock in the water.
Okay, okay. Maak, are you looking for a rock? Yeah?
Mommy.
Yes. Let me see your rock. Let me see your rock. Let me see. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, Maak, look at it. There's a water stream. Yay. Is that what you're looking for? Yeah?
Yes.
Wow, look at that. Oh, baby, look at that. Wow, you see it?
You can get a better view if we go down
I mean,
there. We can get a better view if we
look
go
at
down
Maak.
there.
Wow. That's so pretty. Hey guys, so I am hiking down about 100 or more stairs, and the baby is just like a monkey behind me. He won't let go, so I'm gonna try this out. Wish me luck. Alright, this is the stairs I have to get down with the baby, and he won't follow anyone else. So on top of the challenge, there is a broken stair. So I had to cross over with a hole. And the baby on my back does not want to hold tight. So I think instead I am going to, can I pass him over to you?
How long you standing on
There's
the fall?
no way that I
It's literally
can
gonna
cross over. Here you go. Take him. See that? That's scary. That needs to be fixed. I'm just one off and it's that deep and far down. Okay, that's scaring me now. Oh my gosh. All right, got big brother to the rescue. So he's gonna take Maak down. Careful, okay? So this is the view of the McDowell Creek. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. I just want to go in there and swim. It's clear water. Look at that. So amazing. Hey, we made it to the falls, and it's so beautiful here. I love it. Hey guys, so we're gonna end the video here today. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We had a wonderful time and it was an amazing hike. Have a wonderful day. Bye, thank you.
Right on the bridge.
Yay, we made it to the car. We made it. Good job, Maak. We did the McDowell Creek hike. Good job.